Let's talk about another giant aquarium plant. This plant right here, this is Vallisneria Gigantea. I should have cleaned it first. So this guy that I just messed up my tank with, both of the tanks by the way, because it was actually planted over here and I just pulled one of the stems in so I can give sort of a overview close-up shot of the plant, and this happened anyhow. So this is a really large plant. It's like almost 36 inches in length, and it grows even bigger than this. So this is Vallisneria Gigantea Rubra. It develops really, its leaves are comparatively a lot thicker as opposed to those that you might find with your um, jungle val or spiral val, or the smaller varieties. It also is just as easy when it comes to growing it as the other plants are, other val species are. I mean, Vallisneria is one of the most robust and overall beginner friendly and great species of aquatic plants for all stages, you could say, whether you're an expert in the hobby or whether you're a beginner. It's a well versatile plant that can be used in any aquascape. Anyhow, so I did plant two of these guys over here. I'll plant this larger one as well next to them right here. I might change its shape later, but let's just stick to this one right now since he's going till the end of this tank. And this beautiful tank that looks so depressing now because it was a dirty tank by the way, and I pulled this plant out, so it brought with it all the dirt or it could possibly have managed, and it also made this one cloudy. Well, this one will hopefully settle down in a few days. But that aside, so Vallisneria Gigantea Rubra, it propagates via runners, the kind that you would see with other val species like these plants. It will basically give off a new offshoot, and it will, like, a new runner will grow from that area, and that's just how it will spread and propagate. It's very undemanding, doesn't really require any CO2 or any excess nutrient addition. It will do just fine. It can, although, block light, which it is doing right now. So it would probably need frequent trimming. But if you have larger tanks, in the case of Vallisneria Gigantea, that's where it becomes really helpful. If you have like really large tanks, like, I mean, it's covering this section of this my 4 feet tank. But let's just suppose you have a tank. I mean, the height is almost 24 inches. But if you have a larger size tank, I don't know, which is 30 inches in height, or I think, yeah, or bigger ones, and other plants are not cutting in terms of reaching to that level, or you just want to have a really dense uh, sort of contrast and thick leaf shape, broad leaf shapes, leaf sizes, sorry, then I guess this plant is really great. And it's also really easy, very easy to propagate and grow. It doesn't melt, it does fine in all sorts of water parameters. Yeah, it's a great plant.